Welcome to this important video. In this video, we will discuss an important file operation which is called Python read mode. Python read mode means in this mode we can open a file, we can view the file, but we cannot add text in it. So this is called read mode in which we can just open and view the file. Okay, here an example is given in which we can use in Python. First of all, we will create a file using code with the name message.txt, and not only it will create the file, it will open the file. We will use here an open, and open means we are going to open the file, and this is the file name message.txt, and this is the mode. Read mode means we are going to view the file only and we cannot see any text here. So in this case, we will read f.read and it will print the content. So in this case, we cannot add or delete the text using code if we open the file in read mode, and then we can read the file as well. So these are the commands that how does this work, but it is important to see that how can we use this file. So let me perform it on my Python software, which is an integrated environment of Python. Will I do? I will first create a file, and I will write here how to create the file. I will write here open, and here I will write here message.txt. Txt is the extension of file, and I am going to open this file in read mode. That is why I have put read here. Okay, next what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a variable which is content, and here I will just read the file. And next, what will we do? We can print the content of this file. Okay, this is the way how can we create a file, and let me it will we will check it, and we are going to run this current file which is main, and you can see here here the error is given, and the error is that no such file exists. Will not create a file, we have to manually create the file first, because in this case we have not opened the file in write mode. If we open the file in write mode, then it will automatically create the file. So what we are going to do, we are going to uh, open a file, and we are going to open a new file, import a file, and we are going to generate a new file, and here we can generate a file with the name message.txt. Okay, we are writing a program. You can see here in the upper tab we have created a file which is message.txt, and I am going to import now. This the error will be removed. I have first manually created because we have not learned the code up to here. So I will run this code, and you can see here it has been run, and the content of this file which we have written manually in message file, these have been displayed. So in read mode we can just open a file and view the contents of file, but we cannot make any changes, and not it only this, but it can also not create the new file as well. So here is another thing which is called f keyword. We can also open the file as f. This is another way to import the file or to open the file. First way was to write f is equal to open, and now we can also use the keyword with open, and if we write the keyword with open, then it also open the file, and it will open the file as name f. So this is the name which we can give to the file, and we can use this with keyword, and this is the way to open the file as well. Okay, next is if we want to read the selective characters, then we can use this command f.read, and we can put the number of characters in bracket. If we put f.read 5, then it will only read first 5 character. Now if in the code if we put again f.read 5, then it will read next 5 characters. Similarly, if we put again read 8, then it will read next 8 characters. So this command is used to read the selective characters from the file. Let me do this from our code as well. What I am going to do, I am going to read characters. First I am going to write 3, and then you can see here I am going to run this code again, and in this code I am going to write the variable name as content2, and now I'm going to read next 5 characters. And similarly, as soon as I run this code, you can see here first 3 characters have been read, and 2 characters are W and E, and third is space. And similarly, next is, you can see here 5 characters have been read, and similarly we can define another variable and we can read more characters in it. So here we can read 8 characters, and here the name of variable we can also change it, otherwise it will overwrite into the previous variable, and now the variable is content3. And you can see here we can use this mode to read selective number of characters as well. Okay, so this is how does it work, and in this way it works as well. So thank you so much, that was all for this. We have completely discussed the read mode of file. Next, in the upcoming video we will discuss the write mode of file in file operation. Thank you.